Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to explain you how to implement the API calling functionality in Flutter with the help of HTTP library. I will give you complete detailed information about this one. Don't skip the video, please try to watch entire video. So, first of all, we have to add this library inside the PubSub camel file like this. HTTP. After that, latest version. Then after what you will do means just go to the command here, write this command flutter pub get, run this command. So this is success. Then after you will use this library wherever you want. So here I want in main.file. So here I am importing that package path http http. Okay. So for here this is my home page widget. I'm here taking scaffold inside the tab bar title text API data. So this means okay adding the constant and make this title as the center true that body. So in the body, I'm taking column widget. Inside the column, I'm taking one container. This container, I'm giving the text, no data, API, fetched API data. Okay, done. One more container I am taking. Here I am taking elevated button. Fetch data. Okay, just run and check how it is coming. The screen. Flutter run minus v chrome. Okay. So here if you see here, we added API data, app bar, it is coming in center title true. So then after we had taken the center widget, inside that we are taking column widget. So the column we added two containers. One container will be the display the whatever the API data given, that text will be displayed. This fetched API data. Second one we are added the elevated button. So whenever user click on this fetch data button, we have to show API data, API response data here, fetched API data. So here we are showing fetched API data instead of this. So we have to show API data from the API. So for that we have to write one function void fetch API data. This is a sync function. Response response void street API dot get here street API, okay, street API dot get. Here what you will do, just paste this. You have to convert this one to URI. URI dot paths. Okay. So here we are getting the response. Okay. So based upon the response code, string response data string. Initially it will be null. Response dot body dot. So before that, before we have to convert into JSON decode form. JSON dot decode response dot body that use to string. Okay. Okay, done. So here I have to add this one. Response data not equal to null. Then only this text will display. Otherwise, we are showing no data, no data from API, from API. So here we have to call a function. Whenever user call this, user click on this button, this function will call. So after that, API will be triggered. So from the API, we are getting the response. So based upon the status code 200, then we are storing that response inside the response data string. After that, we are making the steady state. So steady state, what we will do means it will refresh the screen and display the whatever the data is coming. That response data will display here. Just run and check how it is coming. So here, if you see API data, no data fetched from API. Initially, we are not triggering any function. No? Fetch API data function, we are not triggering. So initially, it will be the response data string will be null. So that's why it is showing this one, no data fetched from API. So when I click on this fetch data, then that time whatever the response, whatever the text is getting from the response, that text will be displayed here. See here, user ID. So I clicked this fetch data. Now I got the response, user ID, title, ID. So this is the response we are getting from the API. I will show you in network also. See here, I clicked on that. If you see here, So this is the URL. So this is the response we are getting from the API. So whatever the response we are getting from the API, we are showing here. So how to extract this response? I want separately user ID, title. So how to do that? Let's start. For that, we take string title ID and also title ID user ID. Okay, user ID. So here I have to do just title ID user ID. User ID. Exactly we have to use here. Title ID user ID. Okay. So remove this one. So here what you will do, title is not equal to null. You have to show column enter the children in exercise minimum container child text title. This is for title. This is for ID. This is for user ID. Okay. So before that, what you will do, title ID user ID. Okay. Now run and check. I am clicking the fetch data. Some error is coming, but God one of type int. Type string, but God one of type int. Here we have to do two string. Okay. If you see here now, title so user ID1, title, this text. So we extracted that response like this. So this is the complete detail about the API calling functionality in Flutter. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and give a like. Thank you.